Howdy guys, in this video we are checking out Cabana Bay. We're staying here for the weekend and the staff was so nice because they saw us celebrating our marriage that they gave us some drinking vouchers, and so we headed straight to the bar and got ourselves a drink. At the time of filming this was during Halloween Horror Nights, and so we got the Halloween Horror Nights specialty drinks.
How is
That's tasty. I put it right apologies. So really strong.
That's good.
Apple slide. This was the apple sour. Sour caramel.
That's my kind of drink right there.
Cream, strawberry.
It's an alcoholic apple shaker.
Wait a second, that's so good.
Okay guys, so we have made it to the Cabana Bay Resort here at Universal Studios. We are in room 5142 and here we go. Let's do a little room tour for y'all. So coming right through the doors, we have the bathroom. It has a sink separated from the toilet and the shower, which is nice because one person can get ready while the other person does their thing out here. But it looks like it's a nice big shower. Ooh, two lights. It's like a tub shower. One thing that I would like to know about this resort, it is a very cool, almost 50s themed resort. So the look and decorations are very like old school looking and it's super cool. Like, here's like, for example, I think this was an old brand. I think I remember my mom saying that once, but it's cool. Super cute, nice size. Everything smells and looks very clean. And then we come over here, we have nice size closets.
Our suitcase.
My suitcase, iron, so if y'all come here and you got a wrinkly outfit, you can easily iron it. And we got the, what is this, queen?
Two queens.
And we got two queen beds, so here it is. Cute. I love the colors and the patterns of everything. It's just, it gives me like fun kid vibes from it. Like I feel like I'm a kid again here at Universal. So, and this is also hashtag not sponsored. We just really love the hotel. But here we go. Bed check. It's so soft and comfy.
Really?
Yeah, it's very nice. I really, really like it.
One thing I want to point out is that the clock is so old looking. It's cool.
It just
That's
has
dope.
that old retro vibe, which I think is a really fun thing that they have going on here because not a whole lot of places are like that. Like this is on purpose and it's nice. But we have two drawers. I think a mini fridge.
Ooh, fridge.
Yep,
Very cool.
literally. And we are on the first floor and we do have a view, kind of the lazy river. That is a lazy river right across from us.
Oh, and there's people. Hi. She looked at me.
She was like, why are they filming me right now? But this place has two pools. We are right next to one of them that has the lazy river portion and it has like a beach hangout area. So there's sand and stuff. And I'm pretty sure they have campfires in the evening that you can hang out next to. But yeah, it's really, really cool. And then on the other side, there's another pool that has like a splash pad for little kids and a 100-foot water slide.
And we'll go to the water park all in a little bit. But yeah, here's the room.
The rooms, I love the lamps, the colors, the odd fun shapes. Like, I just think this screams fun.
Yeah, look at that lamp.
Yeah, everything is so cute. You got the fun chairs and stuff. But when we checked in, you know, they're asking if we were celebrating anything, and our friends that we came with just had their anniversary yesterday. And at first Cody was like, no, not really. We're just celebrating being happy. And then when we had mentioned to our friends, like, we're talking about being married, that was a couple months ago. She was like, y'all just got married? That's celebrating something. So she gave us buttons.
Yes, and not to mention, I didn't get to film it, but she did give us vouchers, drink vouchers for the bar.
Sure, yeah.
So we each got a free drink. It was very tasty, very nice.
We had the option of getting either an alcoholic drink, a Starbucks drink, or I think it was like a shake from the shake shop. But we had already intended on stopping at the bar in the lobby because it was all Halloween themed. So we were like, well, let's just use these for our drinks. So we got the 4 different Halloween themed drinks that they have going on for Halloween Horror Nights. Pretty good.
Yeah. Right, let's
go toward the pool.
Yes.
All right, so the pool hours here at Cabana Bay are from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. At least this is the one that's right outside the lobby. And the size of the pool is actually very nice. And the best thing about it, this pool has a water slide.
So, really cool thing. I mean, it's kind of like that at most resorts, but you don't have to bring your towels from your room. They offer towels for you. And something that's actually kind of cool, different than when we stayed at the Disney resort, you can grab as many as you want. They're not going to be like, you can only have one. So if you want one for your hair, you want one to lay out, take it. So if you get hungry while you're at the pool, they do have what's called the Atomic Grill and Atomic Tonic. Grill, obviously you can get burgers, hot dogs, chicken strips, basic poolside munchies, but I think it is cool that they also have a bar for the adults called the Atomic Tonic. And it's awesome because there's like a rocket. And the rocket is really, it's just giving me Jetsons vibes and I love it so much. So if you're here, obviously Orlando does not have beaches super close. This resort has a little man-made beach. And it's cool because unlike the resort that we stayed in on the Disney property, you're in the sand, you can immediately get in the water. It's gonna be the pool, but it's still a really cool, like, beachy vibe. And of course, there's also a hot tub if you're wanting to get some of that warm relaxation in.
It's closed right now.
Due to inclement weather. And yeah, those clouds do look menacing.
So to get to the water slide, you have to kind of go around this play area or just come from the other side. But it's nice that they do offer a little splash zone for kids. So here's a look at the water slide, and the water slide does come out pretty fast. There's a little dip into it when you're sliding down. But the pool is very nice, very crystal clear, as you'd hope and expect it to be. Pools themselves are not heated, so depending on the time you go, it might feel really cold. We kind of went early in the morning to check it out, but it was still really nice as you're sitting there chilling in the sun. So now we're gonna make our way over to the second pool area. This was closer to our room. This one has a lazy river, which is really awesome. They also have a few fire pits over here as well. So late at night, you can start up the fire pit and kind of chill around the fire.
All right, so we are now at the other pool. This one is the pool that has the lazy river right next to it. This one is a really cool one, I think, because you have a view of the volcano from Volcano Bay, their water park. But back here, they have an even bigger beach area. Out chairs and still have that beach vibe, which is really, really cool. We have all the palm trees surrounding us. The swimming pool itself is about the same size as the other one. It might be a little smaller just because there isn't a water slide. But there's also a bar and grill right next to it. This one is called Hideaway's Bar and Grill. But I believe it serves the same food, you know, the burgers, chicken strips, and stuff like that. Your typical poolside food. But in the back, kind of hidden away, is where the lazy river is. And it's honestly a decently long lazy river. You can rent inner tubes, but you don't necessarily need them to get into the lazy river. I don't purchase them, but that is an option if you want to just float and relax.
So yeah, guys, here's a quick little walkthrough, or should I say swim through, of the lazy river. It's a really small one. It's not like crazy big. I would say half of the lazy river is shaded by the trees, but it's a pretty nice lazy river. I would say it's probably better with either a life jacket on or a pool floaty, so you're not having to just walk or use your arms to actually swim.
I like bouncing.
So right here, it's just a bunch of seating area for you to get your food. I think this is for the cafeteria kind of thing over there.
Yeah, so they have like they call it the diner, but it's just a bunch of different kind of foods that you can get.
And then they have the milkshake place right here. But yeah, plenty of seating.
So yeah, the diner is open from 7 to 10 normally, but because of Halloween Horror Nights,
It's open later?
yeah, it's open till like 3 a.m.
I've had the food here before a couple times, and it's honestly really good. So I mean, if there's no other place open, this isn't a bad option, honestly. Look at the chipmunks.
So right here, they have a milkshake
And malts.
and malt shop right here.
And it looks like an old like ice cream, like milkshake shop, like the way they're dressed and stuff and the way it's designed. It's so cute.
Yep, milkshakes.
Shakes
Malt
Malt
Shop.
Shop.
Very cool. No, you're fine.
Sorry.
And then you have your diner seating right there.
Jurassic Park.
That's awesome, Dad.
Yeah, it's got like that old 50s diner look to it. It's so freaking cute.
Yeah. Reminds me of Back to the Future.
Yeah. But yeah, isn't that like in the 50s?
Mhm.
Late 50s?
Yeah, 55.
55.
But yeah, there's just more of the seating. It's a lot. And so walking up, we're going into the Bayliner Diner. And here's just kind of the food you can get here.
I would say think of it as like college cafeteria because they have like different lines for different themes of food.
Ooh,
Pasta and
stir-fry.
pizza, you got stir fry,
Burgers.
burgers, sandwiches, hot dogs, salads. So enough variety for someone to find something.
Burgers, salad bar, sandwiches, all the good stuff.
All right. Entering the Bayliner Diner. They got grab and goes.
This place is open until 3 a.m.
I know.
Crazy.
Shaky sandwiches. Oh, and cheeseburgers. Chicken tenders.
International eats.
Vegan stuff. Brazilian beef churrasco. Don't know what that is. Pizza. Pizza, pizza. Oh. And then these are wraps. So here on the second floor, they have a bowling alley, which is really cool. It reminds me of the Big Lebowski because the aesthetics is just very 60s, 70s vibe. They have quite a few lanes. It's not like a crazy ton of lanes, but they have a few lanes here for you. So if you're up for bowling, they do have a bowling alley here, which is cool. And they also have food that they serve here as well. The menu isn't like huge, but they have your basics. They have your tasty looking appetizers, your salads, the entrees. It's all standard stuff, but the price here is actually not too bad in my opinion. Could be worse, and it's a lot worse actually at real bowling alleys. But the price here is not that bad.
All right, and then right next door is the arcade,
Whoa.
which looks like an average arcade. You got your games, you got your prizes, air hockey, racing, and it's pretty decent size. So you want to give your kids a little entertainment away from the parks, I think this is a good place to start. So next we have Jack LaLanne, or Jack LaLanne Physical Fitness Studio. Zach Global Gym, we're better than you, and we know it. But yeah, no, it's a pretty large fitness center, so that's really cool. Get a good workout in after you've eaten so many bad foods at Halloween Horror Nights. I don't judge. We're gonna eat. Are we gonna work out? Probably not. But yeah, it's really decent size for a hotel because usually they're kind of small and you got like one machine and some free weights. Ton of treadmills, looks like a ton of different machines and space to do your abs or yoga or Pilates or whatever. So that's a nice sized gym, I think.
Of course, they have their own Starbucks here too.
They actually have two Starbucks. They have this one, and then on the opposite sides over there, they have another one.
Oh, they have an upstairs. What's upstairs?
Well,
check out
why don't I
upstairs.
tell you? Oh yeah, we'll check it out later.
Yeah. So they have their own Universal gift shop in here. It's pretty much just like the Universal store, just smaller. Ooh, Halloween Horror Nights merch.
Oh, cool. Look at that.
Where horror lives.
Special value select 30% off. That's a really cool shirt.
And those are all the
it's
houses.
like a not a sweatshirt, but like those red cutoff looking shirts, you know?
Yo, talk about
And
scene. Are you a scene
Reverse?
kid?
I am. It's not a phase, Mom.
Oh, look
They
at
got
that.
little ears.
Look at that Homer Simpson shirt.
I got my dad this once.
Body by body. That's actually pretty funny.
How freaking cute.
So you can actually find all of these inside of Halloween Horror Nights, inside their actual store. And right now, 30% off. I guess, is it because Halloween Horror Nights is almost ending or something?
Probably.
Gotcha.
Either way though, that's cool.
Oh, look, you can get like Hawaiian shirts here. Pretty cool. Hey, it's blue.
That's cute. Oh, look at that. The jean jacket
Whoa.
with the Jurassic Park logo on the back.
That's pretty sick.
That is awesome.
I kind of want it.
It's a nice mug. I know, like I would wear this
I like the mug too.
casually.
That too. That's a buff.
That's a cool thing.
That's a buff
He
dinosaur.
hits the gym.
Oh, E.T.
A lot of cute merch.
Minions
Oh,
merch.
baby. It's a fuzzy pumpkin bucket hat.
Nice.
Lil Boo. That's so cute. I think it's for little kids, but that is really, really adorable. That's a kind of cool robe. But then I like this. It looks like an old bowling shirt.
Oh, that's dope. That's
right?
cool.
I thought that was kind of cute.
It's our friends.
I was like, you look familiar.
So if you're staying at one of the resorts here at Universal Studios, there is a ferry boat that will take you to City Walk, directly in the middle between Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. From Cabana Bay, you're going to want to head over to Sapphire Falls. You're going to want to take the spiral stairs down, and then you're going to see a security gate and this little dock over here. Get in line, and then get on the boat. The boat journey is probably like 5 minutes, if not less. But you get to drive by other boats and another resort. But it's a really nice boat ride, and not too long after, you will arrive at the City Walk. And for us, immediately after, we got some drinks at Pat O'Brien's. And these drinks are super strong. They do not mess around. So you for sure get the bang for your buck with these bad boys. Alright guys, so yeah, that was Cabana Bay. We loved Cabana Bay. Absolutely a great resort. And hopefully in the future we can stay at a different Universal resort. I would love to hit all of them. But yeah, if you guys liked what you saw, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next Cozy Experience. Peace.